English class. In today's session, we will be doing English 2 grammar, lesson 6 adjectives. Okay, we will be doing adjectives. In previous session, we did pronouns, right? In today's session, we will be doing adjectives. In previous session, I did explain you a bit, okay, little bit what is adjective, right? So, what is adjective, children? It is a describing word. What is an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. Okay. What does it describe? It describes the noun. It describes the noun. Okay. Adjective is a describing word. It describes the noun. Okay. Like this kurta is red in color. Okay. The hair is black. Okay. The board is green. The chalk is white. Okay. So it is describing the noun. Here the dress, the board, the chalk, the hair, these are all the nouns. So it is describing how the noun is. Okay, such words are called as adjectives. These are the describing words. They describe the noun. Okay, children? Yes, and in adjectives also, just like pronouns, you have 4 types of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjective. I repeat, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjective. In today's session, we will be dealing with adjective of quality and quantity. Okay. So, what is adjective of quality? Okay, here this adjective is a describing word. It describes the noun. Okay, but it gives the information of what kind of. The noun is what kind of. Now, example, she is a beautiful girl. Okay, how the girl is? What kind is the girl? She is beautiful. Okay. So like this, it describes the manner of the noun, how the noun is. Okay, how is it? So it describes. If you ask a question, what kind of, then you will get the answer as the what kind of it is. So this is green in color. Okay, the board is green. The board is green, or the green board. So it is describing the adjective. What is here? It is green. Okay, it is telling you how it is. Now, what do you say? Rani is a brilliant girl. When you say Rani is a brilliant girl, so it will describe how the girl is. How is she? Okay, it describes how is it. Okay, something which describes about how is called as your quality. It describes the nature of the person, the quality of it. Okay, the quality of the noun. It describes the quality of the noun. Raj is a lazy boy. Ram is a naughty boy. Okay. Then what else you can say? The fierce lion started roaring at the people. Fierce. Here it is the nature of it, the quality of it. Okay, the quality of the noun. Okay, something which describes about the quality of the noun. It is called as an adjective of quality, and it will answer the question what kind of. Okay, children. Yes. Next, coming to adjective of quantity. Quantity means what, children? Quantity means how much. Okay, when you answer a question with how much, that is your quantity. Okay, that is your adjective of quantity. It answers the question how much. Okay, like how much means what? Little, some. Okay, I ate some rice. I had little money with me. Okay, I had a little glass of water. I drank a little glass of water. Okay, so something which you describe with how much. Okay, that is called as your adjective of quantity. It shows I drank half a glass of water, or I drank half a glass of milk. Okay, something which you are describing with how much is called as your adjective of quantity. Okay, children, understood? I repeat again. Adjective is nothing but it is your describing word. Okay, it describes your noun, how the noun is. Okay, and 4 types of adjectives are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjective. And here in today's class, we will be learning about adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality is nothing but it describes the noun, how the noun is. Okay, Is it beautiful? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it lazy? Is it very active? Okay, how the noun is. Okay, you describe about how the noun is. Okay, and we will answer the question as what kind of. Okay, and coming to adjective of quantity, it describes about how much. Okay, how much the work is done with the noun. How much? Okay, like I drank half a glass of milk. Okay, or I ate some rice. I ate little food. Okay, it describes the quantity of the adjective. It describes the quantity of the noun. Okay, some rice, little money. Okay, half a glass of milk. Okay, so it describes half a glass. So it describes the quantity by how much. It will answer the question as how much. Okay, children, I hope you understood this. Now I want all of you to open the textbook. Page number 71. We will be doing the textbook exercises now. Open to page number 71, lesson 6, adjectives. Okay, children, all of you open your textbook, page number page number 71. Okay, open your textbook, page number 71. First main. Pick out the adjectives of quality in the following sentences. It is a faithful dog. So first you have to see what is a noun, okay? Then you have to see the describing word. So what is a noun here? Here dog is a noun, right? Okay, so what is the word which is describing the dog? Faithful. So underline the word faithful. Okay? Next, we should eat fresh vegetables. So what is the noun here? Vegetables. So what is the describing word here? Fresh. How is the vegetable? Fresh. So it always answer how the noun is. Okay. Next, mother cooks delicious meals. Okay, what kind of meals does mother cooks? She cooks delicious meals. So the word delicious is your adjective. Okay. Next, the grapes are sour. How are the grapes? Sour. So underline sour. Chennai is a large city. How is Chennai? It is large. Next, the man was carrying a heavy box. Okay, how was the box? It was heavy. So it always should answer how. Okay, Simran is wearing a pretty dress. What kind of dress was Simran wearing? How was the dress? It was pretty. Next, Tipu Sultan was a great soldier. What kind of soldier was Tipu Sultan? What kind of soldier was he? He was a great soldier. The teacher scolded the naughty boy. How was the boy? He was naughty. Her clothes were very dirty. How was her clothes? Very dirty. Okay? Underline dirty. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality in the box. So here you have to do adjective of quality. Okay, here you have the words. You have to choose these words only. The dash crow tried to sing. Okay. So children, the dash crow tried to sing. The foolish crow. You know the story, the foolish crow. Next, Akbar was a dash king. Akbar was a wise king. Write neatly and use your pencil and write in a neat cursive handwriting. Okay. The girl has a sweet voice. This is a big house. Monkeys have long tails. Always drink fresh water. Camel is a useful animal. Bright stars sparkled in the sky. Fluffy is a naughty dog. Bengaluru is a beautiful city. Okay, children, please complete this. Now coming to adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. Okay, underline the adjectives of quantity. Sunil, page number 72. Sunil ate up the whole cake. So what is the adjective of quantity? Whole. Has she much work to do? Underline much. I have very few pencils left. Few. Give me some food to eat. Some. There is enough water in the jug. Enough. I have many storybooks. Many. There was no milk in the glass. No. The poor old woman gets little food to eat. Little. All must come to see the match. All. I ate some rice. Some. He lost all his wealth. All. He has enough money to buy a car. Enough. The cat drank all the milk in the pot. All. They need a little rest. Little. He has no money in his pocket. No. Okay, children. So all these whatever we underline now for adjective of quantity, it describes how much. Okay. Correct? No? So finish this, children. Next. Here, pick out the adjectives of quality and quantity in the sentences and write them in the blank spaces. So here you have adjective of quality. Here you have adjective of quantity. You have to pick the word and write here. Okay. I like ripe mangoes. So ripe. What is ripe? Is it a quality or a quantity? It is a quality. So write it here. Ripe. Give me some food to eat. Some. It's a quantity. Fresh vegetables are good for health. Fresh. It is a quality. There is some cake left in the fridge. Some. It is a quantity. Sonia is a smart girl. Smart. It is a quality. You have to write neatly in cursive handwriting. Use your pencil only. He lives in a small house. Small. It is a quality. Many soft drinks were wasted. Many. It is a quantity. There is enough water for the children. Enough. It is a quantity. There is little time left. Little. It is a quantity. It is a rainy day. So rainy. It's your quality. Okay, children. Complete this also. So this completes the exercise part of the adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Okay, children. I hope all of you understood the chapter and you've done the textbook exercises part of it. Yes, no, children? Okay, so I'll just give a quick recap of it. Okay. Today then we dealt with adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives is a describing word. It describes your noun. Okay. And the four types of adjectives are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number and demonstrative adjective. In today's session we have dealt with adjective of quality and quantity. What is adjective of quality? It describes, adjective of quality is nothing but it describes how the noun is. Okay, or what kind of the noun is. Okay, when something describes how or what kind of, then that is your adjective of quality. Okay, like beautiful, tasty, ugly, smart, brilliant. Okay, these are all the quality of the noun. Okay, then coming to adjective of quantity, it's like how much. Okay, some, little, all, no. Okay, half, full. Okay, these are all the how much. You can you describe how much the noun is. Okay, that is your adjective of quantity. Okay, children. So kindly complete your textbook exercises. Okay, we will continue adjective of number and demonstrative adjective in the next session. If you still have any doubts, please do ask me in the interactive session. Okay, thank you.